That first, they did the hair, and then they did the usual upper body search, but they went deeper into the collar.
Jason Steitler describes how a TSA official searched him at the Greater Rochester International Airport July 6.
Then they had me lift up, physically do a push-up on my chair, get down inside my inner thigh, around my backside, and it was just the most thorough search I've ever had to do in my life.
Steitler and his wife Jennifer were heading home to Newport Richey that morning. She too is in a wheelchair and was searched by a TSA official.
She's been using the phrase search raped. She feels search raped because it was that thorough. I mean, it was she says it was nearly to her crotch. Well, I always feel a little violated because I feel that chairs should be able to have the option of either using the scanners or the searches. But usually we're just automatically thrown into being patted down.
Steitler says he and his wife have complained to TSA about their experience at the Rochester International Airport, but he says all they've received in return is a standard form letter.
Just their standard reply to everything. In order to fly, you have to be searched.
In an email to the Steitlers, a TSA official writes, "We apologize for any insensitivity or inappropriate treatment you experienced during the screening process." And in another email, a TSA official says, "We believe these security measures are necessary and appropriate for ensuring the security and confidence of all air travelers."